Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to like button down to the ground, you know what I mean? Well, it's first time watching the channel, you know how you go. Please do subscribe, like and share. You know, we are trying to go 100k. That's why I say we don't play. We are putting work upon work and movie upon movie with a post. So if you appreciate the movements, tell a friend, get some to subscribe to the channel. We want to go 100k. That want a Christmas gift, I don't know go on. Want 100k by Christmas. We have a couple months can wait, said we. So we are doing some shooting and now in the morning I said people release a movie bright and early. Let's go. The one name Beer and Salt. Watch it and leave a comment, you know what I mean? Entertain is a must. Let's go. Alright. Me are looking to more one of the place when I shop them from the plaza. You know long time work here, but they have some money for me. You know what I mean? So we could have work out that thing on the part, you know. At least give me the place we want 5 to 6 years and we just split out the money. We have to me differently. You know what I mean? So let's say I have $1 million and half for me. So let's work with that deal. You want like at least then. You know, give it 4 or 5 years. You know what I mean? Now about crime, guys. We just try to get some crime from somebody. You know what I mean? Because I have a youth on the way. Some of that one will say, even that, maybe the mother could have go and do. You know when the time right. You understand? So we could have take the time, put in some infrastructure in it. You know what I mean? So that can work differently. You know what I mean? You know, beer in the fridge here.
That's not a bad idea, you know. But one day, it depends on who's when I shop and want, you know. Because some of them occupied, you know. So I have to tell me which one specifically at all.
Well, I tell you when I downstairs one of them, because I tell them so I move out. You know, because one of them build one place themselves, so because one good spot so somebody can make it there, you know what I mean? So one of them elevate themselves so they go move the spot and go at the yard part, then build the location, next location for themselves. Some of them want to do the same thing, just I can start off myself and I can get up myself, you know what I mean? So when I downstairs them, because food I go do, you know. You know what I mean? A long time I don't cook, but you know, I know so when I cook, people eat them 10 finger and I don't eat them 2. You know what I mean? And you know what to. Yeah man.
Alright then, maybe go eat the one downstairs.
Alright, so a good news that I don't have to talk much. You know what I mean? So what more I do still. I have to go tell the baby mother nothing. But now she put no on herself what she will do and she will do. But just keep that and just and quiet. I work on the shop. I mean so when she have baby now and she in her body heal up, we can show her side them. What are not to see time being. You know what I mean? Even if she start right there and I know who are the boss things. That's somebody for a friend already still and make she just want to right there. That means she won't get too cockatoo and maybe run it down. If you think that somebody's business maybe she run it good. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so that's a good news to get that out of the way. Where say? You can't want 2 beer out of the fridge man, and the fridge can't drink. That drink are stripe and you know that I might drink, you know.
Well, you know, say, not to in the fridge right now, because other day my family them pass around and clean out the whole of the fridge. But tomorrow I'll get some stuff man, so you can pass through tomorrow and we'll get 1 6-pack, because a lot of time work for me, man. You see me?
Well, that, you know, I go. So I have a woman now because she alone the woman nightfall, you know what I mean? So after the day and just say alright. You know what I mean? No one pregnant them miserable, but the one not too miserable though. When I do I'm gonna make her see her still, you never see her yet. When I do be careful. Alright?
Just Bring her through when I live there.
Alright, let us sell.
Right.
Alright, you know my husband comes in here and I like that.
Alia. Oh, gosh. What you want, man?
But then, I'm gonna take it easy over me yard, sit down. I watch two TV and listen me come over here, go and check you. Where I deal with differently.
You know, so me there, I just done clean up the place, so I just come sit down and cool off for the bed.
So all along you tell me say you have an apartment. I never know say you're this big it be, so how much room there Penny?
You know, see a 9-bedroom, they pan do a kitchen, bathroom, and everything. Every room have their own bathroom and kitchen and so on.
Backside, so you're going. So wait there. So you alone say this a big place, yeah? You're not afraid?
No man, I'm not afraid. Sometimes my family then come over, come stay, and even when I fly out of them, I live in charge of the place same way, so I'm not really afraid.
You know, say other day me over my yard do and me I think about it and I say, so how you do if you get this a place here? What kind of job you used to do?
You know, say, the reason why I'm going to explain this to you or tell you this because I respect you as a young lady. But how I come by this, you know? A funny story. Because street me used to work, you know.
What do you mean by streets?
Street, sell things on the street, roadside, people are pass and me if you open my mouth and I shout and I say, buy one, get one free or whatever, roadside.
Like where did I sell?
Like, you know, every little thing I could catch. Soup, ground food, and sometimes like me go a town go buy the cheap and clean them and come back and sell them for a normal price and so off.
Oh.
Yeah, them the business and even one time me there try one little shop business and let's sold it on the roadside. If you go and sell, but I find out say someone they a thief out the money, never used to give me everything we I sell. So me just do quit the shop business and go back on the roadside, then me get one little job for fly out. So
Let me ask you a question now. You have a shop business, right? How you combine for have that the shop there? Like the money you make off of the road, you invest in a business or something like that?
you know, say, oh, me come buy shops with me, same roadside selling. Me they sell soup, yam, fish, everything me couldn't catch me sell. Until me hear say one land I sell cheap, so me buy this land until and go back on the road, go sell on the road until me can have as much money for take time, build a shop until the shop done now. And me get one little job overseas and me fly out. And when me fly out now, me come back and finish the shop and stock the shop now and I shop a little shop business help me build a big old house here right now. You know.
You really start
And you see the main thing when I on the road, what you have to do with the money. You see if you make 40,000 or 50 today, best thing you do is save 30 and spend 10 and take a little time, max out to 10,000 each a day or 500 and so come you gonna reach somewhere in your life. You have to save your money, man.
Well, thanks for telling me all of that stuff. I really appreciate it. But, you know, say, I don't really have a job right now still. I do my hard kickback. And I send a lot of application. And then if people then get back to me, I know. And right now, I'm on my face. I don't have a job. And I really want a job right now. So, I don't even know what I could do.
Well, the best advice for you right now, you know, if you do what me, they do, you know. Even right now, if I go up on the road and do what me, I do, it probably give better than what me have right now. And then if you do, just put your mind to it, no listen to when nobody say, if they even over there so chatter you there, so ignore them. Don't make nobody bring you down. Cause you know, say you, anything you make, it's gonna be for you and nobody can say you got thief here, you got this or you got that. And you work hard for it. You understand me? So you can just try, man, and see how it work out for you. Trust me, it'll go better for you more than one. That'll give you bigger than what you give me.
So, alright then, thanks to everything, you see me? For you to take care and stuff, so. I'll go over and see what we can do. I still want to think about it. Here? So, I said before, I really like the place, yeah? I come in the kitchen, look good. I take a glimpse of the bedroom too. Nice and clean and turn the light.
You've got thanks, man.
Keep up the good work still, come on.
Alright.
Jammy post is be a post, yard full of posts. And I don't have a post. Mama, I don't want you to put down them broomstick here. You see, come see broomstick. Yeah. You see the broomstick right here, so post your job. Over this broomstick when you are going to say now. We will be picking in your belly. Yo, have more careful, you know. Man, we have to do better than that. Keep broomstick on us.
Oh, I'm going to take up the broomstick.
Just like we've been at it in the night time, bro. What do you have?
Yeah, because you have to take up the broomstick. Or the broom. Or the map put you if I want no job.
What the baby do? But no, we are squeezing the baby so get too close.
If not, squeeze!
You're too close to yeah, man. You better, you must have feel it's not here that pressing head. Apart from head now.
I'm not sure.
Okay, head not down now, so you know, coming on head down now, so you know. So you can keep me head up.
So how am I going to put him out if him head no down there, so?
Don't put him head down there. What take him out, your bed? What take him out? You take him out. You check if a boy put him first. If a girl put him you see if a girl pit me, he come out that way there. If a boy take
so
him out.
So say if a boy has C-section with me do?
Yeah.
Oh,
If a boy go big, you can't manage it. I tell you, they will have to take him out. I want him to come out naturally. Yeah! Rastafari, but that him come out and say, run it down to the ground. Anyway, how's the day though?
alright, so far.
Oh, it's a real good woman. If you're pregnant, they still have put dinner set bed.
Good job though.
How you take care of?
Yeah, man.
That's why I buy a good gold ring. So I said, I don't try to measure your finger first though. I buy the gold ring and I can't go pay my finger.
But finger get fat.
Every part of you gets fat, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. The anniversary, yeah, come on now.
You anniversary for? So how me never remember?
No, because you have a baby for your head, but me have that on my head, you know, so that I can go somewhere. With the pregnant cells, I make it. I think so when the belly get real big, I'm going to make it do one of them photography there. The photo, I pick one package there. Where you have
maternity, how we call maternity, how we call? I remember.
No matter what you call a picture of pregnant belly. No matter what they call it. Me just link the photographer. Because link Richard Brown. I make them deal with it. Because they do for them something there. Make a paint of the belly. And every good thing. And just take a good picture. Because the next time you breed again now, you have different picture every time.
When I plan to have no more.
If you come out vloops and you come out fast, you know, no pain or nothing like, you got children, you got lots of kids. Because that means you make feet. This is a test run. The first one, you had good so far, you know, sicky so much, you sick now and then. Because some people when they're pregnant, they're very sick. So you can cook. And you see it, you can cook anything most women cannot cook at all. So this is a test run. And you are good so far. Look at your pass with AMAX in a pregnancy. So you just kick it out and just push out, push out. So what we have to do?
Dumpling and banana vegetable. You're a favorite.
Yeah.
Come know you hard to eat meat.
Listen me. Careful. What hard to eat meat? For my look around and eat meat again. Right? So still I don't miss nothing for the meat early. See where you cook the veggie chunks. I like meat same way. You know what I mean? So, anyway, what do you think about though? So I say I come home early this evening. So if you want to jump in the bubble bath and give a massage, you do a good job and more, you know, so I appreciate you, right? So, we know we as man, we always do the wrong way. We take off your clothes and put on the back. You know what I mean? So, we start with everything's there. So I look into myself and say, yo, you have to be a big man about it, man. You have to show the one you love appreciation. So I reach home early today, you don't cook. You don't go somewhere. Your choice though, because you're pregnant, you know what you want to do. You want to go on the road.
By the time me don't cook, me get tired. Because when me don't cook, I have to go wash up at the plate them.
You know I wash no plate today. Me I wash the plate them today for you. I tell you. I have to take my stress off for you. And me I go wash your jars and everything. When you're sick and everything. Because of my me I carry. I wash everything, no worry about nothing. Right? I wash your clothes there. I'm going to say, I brush your teeth. more beard
But you
you.
can't brush your teeth.
But it don't so hairy up, me have to deal with you. Because I say me, I do want to help you now. So now what you say, you see any work with too much here, you do it. Only one work you must settle down, have to push out the baby, you be water the baby head, make his face come wash when you come out there and say, at least this baby look like his face when you wash him. Yeah. More than know that. You understand? Because doctor said this is time we must be more active. Right? You know that. So don't cook. You know, don't wash the plate up, don't wash the plate, the beard you. But make it cool off because they want to heat, so I don't want you to touch my cold, so you want to take a time, relax. Then when you take up an hour later, your body cool down, you drink some cool juice, you take the time and bathe you, give you a good massage. You buy one special oil for you, coconut oil. Then use the cook, but special one. No, rub all over your body. You go moisturize you. You know, make sure say the joints them, the joints them, man. You know, make you feel nice. Then anything you want after that, you get it, right? If you want loving, you get it. You want ice cream, you get it. You want a piece of cake, you get anything you want. I go and get it for you. If you don't want to travel, I go get it for you and carry back to you, right? Right. So.
Okay.
When we go do, we just come in and now. I go with a shower. But before I show, I drink a red side beer and all the vibes, you know what I mean? I suppose in last one, I have an fridge, you know. You don't drink no beer, Vandy.
I can't drink beer, I'm pregnant.
Nobody's a test you, alright? Alright. Alright. Oh, drink a beer. Who come out today? A beer back.
Oh, your cousin didn't come in. So maybe I drink and live back to
I'm walking back in the fridge.
empty back in the fridge.
We don't want the boy to come back here, you know. We don't want him to come back here. We let back right here. So right now, when he come here, I'll pay back feet. And the last beer we have in the fridge, I'm going to drink when I come home. And all the vibes. So I'm going to stop and shop and buy one more and say, yo, I'm reaching more drinking. Alright, we now to get upset. As long as you drink and I boy, there's not like family come to my yard now. They don't know if you have for them come here and just drink. Yeah, watch me on, alright. Anytime you come in there, things that me do not want him here, him do not come in my house, him go back in yard. When I forward, him forward come link me, do not come in there. Me don't want no cousin here.
Alright. No telling.
Alright, so all of you, go and cook where I cook. And then later we forget it out.
Alright. Yeah, man, go and be it.
But if you hot bro.
Because my kitchen hot.
Alright. All of you. Oh,
Sorry, I'm asleep. Alright. Wake up, man. Get up. You can come back. You gotta go early and I was missed before.
Oh.
So, Mr. Girl, a big mansion, 9-bedroom. And mama go on with things that she tell me the type of job what she used to do. She sell food per roadside. If you come by that the mansion there. Bill she that's what I buy. Bill she Billy from scratch. See how girl go on with things, that's true. So then me look at what they can make big money and build big mansion. They look at time with there and long a daytime cock up in the house. It makes sense we go and go sell food to girl and make money. You know sense?
Oh, me and you?
It's how we make good money, girl. And come out of this, yeah.
Hard work enough for me. You know, hear about the two big chopper them up so. It better you take one and me take one. You never see a markets them a drive. Me not time to go do them the look road out there and people look for me and I say, look on that the girl they sell soup or cook a roadside. They
Girl.
have money. So if you interested, me and you can dress up hot and go look them.
No, me not do that. It no matter the type of job what you do. It based on how much money you make. And that what they can make me reach for, girl. Me no depend on no man money. And the reason why I know say that they work they make money is because always a person like this, she fire out every minute. And that they work they make sure do all of that. So about we Nothing wrong with that, the work them, my girl.
Well, I the chopper man them if you have. Me not have time to go beat off my hand on roadside. If you interested, tell me. Them they me not say nothing wrong with them, you know, but them they are not feel. Come on, man, we are hot girl.
You stay there, me want it, cause
We are going to say we are market girl. We are not market girl, we are hot girl.
When time they call the market girl, they must see you amount of things we get out of the market and they want to follow we, you go see.
All you saying can fly out, me until I say chopper man them can make we fly out. What chopper man me thing there?
Chopper man, you think they might think they're chopper man, though, sorry.
So what you tell me say, you want to sell a roadside and you could have drive in a markets in a AC, I go a KFC.
Hello, Ali a drive you know? You get a drive crown. And look here, me and your best friend, but if you tell the honest truth, I don't want to say I depend on a man money. You see me? Work your honest bread. Don't depend on no, but me and your best friend, I want to see the best for you.
Me and your best friend, yes. But on everything you are going to do, me I go follow. So you go do your work, me go look my man. Cause me now go come follow you selling on roadside.
Alright then, do it, I can't tell you what you do still.
So you're really going to sell on road for you?
Nothing is wrong with that. I go back on the road and I carry on me very insist. Sorry. Later.
Yo, me and your family, you know. But certain things me nah put up within a youth. Me I tell you one thing. When you come and iron a yard, you see one beer in my fridge and you drink it. Eh? What kind of man you pay for? Yo, listen to me. So when I come in from work, you know, and I reach in at the fridge to drink a Red Stripe beer, none of the death for me. Yo, don't come up here, you know. When me not be there, no come there. I come here, no go in my fridge, daddy. No go no, yo, you see yo? Yo, me not better no you know. What every time you want the same thing. You come here, see rum, you drink out the rum. You come here, see food, you eat out the food. Youth. It's not a supermarket, Marina say no. It is a woman pregnant. This she a breeder. This she impregnated. Listen me, yo. Do not ramp with me, yo. Yo, now come here, come here with the things them daddy. Go look walk. The roadside that dig out all your hand middle and you not think about work. So you're hungry. And me are the rich. Right? You, not do that, you. Me are your cousin. Me are your family. We don't want customer food. Mama no grow with a way there. But you are putting you are from bad to worse now, man. One beer, me have in my fridge and me plan for the beer. I say, when I reach in, I go drink that and I will advise. Yo, you, not do that again, you. You hear me, sir? Let me, if you just know beer in my fridge. So I will drink it then. And be able to drink it. Our next man come here. Youth, me know say you're the only person come and come and people not tell no lie. You in there, right? Yo, me said beer when then I youth off. Me just buy the beer last night. In a pool or nothing, man. They take some more time. Listen me, no beer never. Yo, come on phone. Come on phone, yo.
What are you doing here?
I'm going to check for you know there.
No, you're not there.
I go over. I cook.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
Ready to How are one girl?
Me there, son hot man. Now somebody come take me out.
So when I make it tour we go try to line up with something so we did talk about other day. Sell on the roadside or make some money.
You know, you me say me not in the girl. I want a chopper man. Why you want to come here roadside go disgrace me?
Girl, that is not disgrace. In the longer run, you're going to make a lot of money out of that the business there. More than you depend on man money. Girl, I'm not them something there. I tell you the honest truth. It's either you're going to do it or you're going to depend on man. And which me not want that for you because you're my friend. I'm not want nobody to chat about oh, bro, this, that a man she have to depend on girl working honest bread. Here, do it, you better off. Way better off.
You ever hear about something named woman pension? Anything a man give you after you hit, they can't take it back, right? You're something give you hit. So me not in a bogo sell a roadside. Them they sitting there now make me no money.
Look here.
Me go turn up in a sun hat and burn out me look color.
I like off engine man, can you know how full of money man I want to the gas don't buy back. Where are you dealing?
There.
Where you come find out? Where are you dealing?
So me shot.
Bingo, me just bingo, you know.
Eh?
Yeah man.
Yeah,
Dog just have a big food man. I mean man I celebrate man. What you say, forward no man?
Yeah, forward.
No I think come now, you know, brick farm brick seller man.
How will they talk to? Girl, it makes sense when I say nothing to me right now. Me go up on the road, go work my honest money, you can't go with a chopper friend them, sorry.
And you calm down your friend and mama.
Oh, me no want no outer life, and you no want no outer life. And when time for them scam money done, me go see where you are.
Mama, we think large, you know, look out this market, major.
Yes, give me things so large too.
You fool.
Yo, come on brownie.
You want this little man?
Come on. No thing come down.
I don't like Shelly alone. Me too. So it can go both ways, you know. You see me?
Aliyah, come here, please. Open the door.
What's your common?
You know, say, maybe I think about something that you're going to
Sister, I'm not
No, but alright.
I'm so tired.
Because I'm far me walk from. Maybe I say, it's somebody that talking about other day about the roadside selling or something. Maybe I think about it and me I say, why not try it? But if me I go try, me don't have no pot. Me can provide the food items, but me not go start off big because you know, say me not really for nothing, you know. So just to ask if I could like lend me a pot if you have any at the moment. If you can start off my business, please.
Yeah man, that's no problem. You don't need the pot and the spoon then you understand? So you can just look on this say one big tall pot and one soup spoon like that. So that maybe can work man. Not soup, because you not that big.
No, that's
yeah.
Yeah man, thanks. Good spoon.
Yeah.
So, me start off selling some soup and something. Me make it know how it work out.
Yeah man, me I will come to come by and go that so.
Alright then. Alright. You wanna come by and work out. I carry you.
Alright.
Alright then, later thanks. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Then I call up back and do.
Oh.
Let's go over.
I'm gonna say the love.
Alright.
Girl, you're serious, man.
I tell you, I'm serious. Nobody take me serious though. How are they going?
Ah, the way you are done, man. Come
Come
in, man.
first. Give me two there.
2?
Yeah.
Sure, you want more than 2?
You must say serious like a judge.
Yeah, girl. You have to go on, you know.
So I decided you want me out here do. Eh?
Nothing wrong with that. What's wrong
Yo,
with that?
if you ever that part with me, a 3 backline, with up on the 3rd backline.
Third buckle? Sorry. Rum can't full belly.
Feel like everything a baby thing.
Sir, I wasn't talking to you. Sorry.
Make sure that you come and she'll get something to drink.
And I'm my business that.
Okay, if you are going later.
Lord,
Yeah?
man.
Oh, no, go on and okay.
How much your soap? Because
Much the soap, like why you? No, make it must.
Yeah, hold on to this and keep it chill.
Sorry, you can't fling the
come
money
on.
like that. Not do that.
Come on, make your friend know something me. Share.
You see how you're next time, make you look dirty, nasty,
Yo,
fat
come on,
boy,
yo.
come
You should have
style
fire
me.
with me, you should have
Yo.
fire with
You
the
make you
man.
look a fat
Come on,
boy,
come
come
on.
and style me. I'm your friend.
Money back.
Hey, I'm
say,
looking
yeah.
for you, why, man.
Yo, make your friend know something.
You black and come like a hog. Talk to me nice. A youth, man. True. If I dem a slap me, say I go take one time me there. When me there, so no make no, you know, me no busy about the man then solid. As long as me I make me money. As long as me I make me money. One course, at least me I get the money.
Why?
Where going?
I can't check it for you first day if you see how you're going.
Oh, if you tell the truth, me make couple sale for morning and it really rough. Because it seems like someone out to say if you take disrespect from people.
That me tell her say, don't make nobody say nothing for you bring you down. You have to just do what you have to do and shut your eye tight and do it, man. Nobody ever follow
I
people.
just got a
and get up.
disrespect in my life.
No follow people, man. Just do what you do. But so
I
how
think
things
they
are
fling
work
money
out for
for me
you.
like say I beg them.
So you go.
So what I deal with differently, you good?
Yeah, me just to me I can check to see how you're
You
going.
want a cup of soup?
No, so I don't really want no soup right now. But
Me know they charge you, know.
no, a business you run, you know, learn to give away things. If it
Cause of you man, you give me pat me.
no matter, I coulda even Jesus, you have to collect your money for it. Yeah? But me I come over here tomorrow come buy some soup for you, man. Cause me have some people who can buy some soup, you see me?
Alright.
Yeah. So we link again.
Yeah.
Just take time do your thing, man, and don't make nobody say nothing to you.
Alright.
Alright.
You put 2 more. No. The soup is good for you there. Yeah. Good girl.
God. I work with a boss, I can't count me work with. Well, my friend.
Me there, you know, I'm gone.
I first me I see your business, you just open up it.
Yeah, man, me just open up, man, and it a going good so far. Yeah, say, you want a soup?
Yeah, man, me try get a soup, cause come on, for work and I'm on the yard, but the price that, cause me know to do a rice shop up. My lunch pan, no, give me that cup. I want to that. But before that, wait there now, before you share it.
Come here, Karen.
The boss.
Come here, Karen.
Yeah, you know, I paid you. And the boss can check.
You can check.
5 times 5. Wait no. 6 times 5. How much you get? Can I say almost 5,000 a day? Wait. 5,000 a day, right? And he give me 35,000. I'm rolling go work 60 a week.
You're confusing. Go on again.
Me I work 60 a week
Alright, 60.
at $5,000 per day.
How much you
And then give me 35.
So you give me 5 grand then?
Can you say, oh, 5 grand a week, 5 grand a day, 35 a week, you work 60 a week, that's 5 grand. I realize, but you on team. Anyway, that good enough,
It's good?
Yeah.
Alright, I say money, okay, say good.
Yeah, man.
But you cover can't.
No, I saw me lunch pants. And nearby me. Alright, so,
The money.
I'm not take card out of yet. You know a card machine.
Me have to really look for you good.
Alright.
Alright. Thanks.
Alright.
Alright, look more. Enjoy yourself.
Alright.
See you next time.
I'm going to test you, if it's good, you know so you have a regular customer.
Alright.
Alright.
Adiós. You know what? Because you want to make today, you as much to make your buy next spot. No. Listen. We say how much money when we make today. 90, make 90 grand, right? And somebody come and say they want some change because I'll be a US they have. So, me give her one of my change and take one of the US, you know, so US money I don't know.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter with beer things, you know. So it's a 90 grams, so I'll try and buy a pot.
Listen me, Brittany, I move too fast, slow down. You don't have to buy no pot, buy something else. Take the pot, man. Me give the pot, me never lend the pot. I gave the pot to you.
You go for take?
Yeah, you can take the pot, man, and start a business. You come to me and say you want advice and want help to start. So me give the pot, me never say if you care, man. Take the pot, man.
Me never know how me never know
Buy something else. You must see something out there where you want for help with the business. And next thing again, after 90,000, show partner, save your money. You understand it? Save your money. Because if you're not saving it, you can't reach us, you know.
So the people, they say they're so bad. But say what they say, they
all you have to do now, buy a couple of fish.
one girl, come buy this soup. And she tastes it. She said, you know what, I'm not going to bother it. She said, I'm right beside her, and she drink and she buy and she drink and she buy and she drink.
Yeah, man.
Till she barely full, she just say, you know, me, I go and she got she had.
Yeah, it's time to go, man. Because I can't go good for you, you just have to just trust.
Me know, say, it don't go good, but me never know, say, this good, it would go.
Yes, and I want day.
Now one day, imagine.
Imagine not if you're around a week.
You know?
So just take the pot, man, and buy something else. Buy somewhere in need. You understand?
Thanks.
Alright, man, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, come back and cook a soup for you.
Alright then, thanks.
Alright, see you guys.
Yeah. What are you going?
Yeah, man.
They're good?
No, I'm still first. Where you get so much money from?
Where me where me get so much money from? But did I tell how much money have in your pocket? You have money for you?
Yeah, no money. Dog soon come drop off piece of food, man.
Oh, that's so. And this how me make for selling soup. 90,000 this.
Let me see I sell out this today.
90,000 making a one day. Imagine making this in a week or more. Eh?
No, sir. But
You see me there, you know, you see me there I tell her though, you see if I did follow me talk with that outlet. And this money I could have split in a half. Or you get your own pot and do what you do, I get my own pot and do what I do.
you still not sell out this.
You still not sell out there? Alright then. You up to you and I'm not force you.
Buy my drink from.
Buy your drinks after your friend called disrespect me today.
I saw him go.
No, I saw him go.
I'm telling them and they pay their money, you know.
They depend their money, me depend my money now. So I'm afraid to disrespect anybody me feel like. But look here, I say something to you. Me and a friend, I see somebody that disrespect me. At least put them in their place and say, yeah, my friend that friend here, you know. You just know the boy, you don't know him from nowhere. Yeah, this me for him.
Yo, me I tell you, we did high. You know, say I tree back like this, we are drink.
Oh my God, I see. I didn't see.
Still high.
You still high?
I'm going to sleep and so.
Then go on.
I can't just buy me
No,
aspirin or something.
this I fi invest in my business. Fi put back in the business and fi save. You said the dog can drop a piece of food look more. So when you drop a little piece of food look more, you have money in your pocket. So wait on that. Cause that is your job and I do my job, you do your job. You see me? So the way you feel like do. Alright then.
Come here, that man, you're not spending too much party.
Yeah man, go sleep. Wash your face. And drink some water. Let me take disrespect to get this money here. I don't know how to keep running.
Hello.
I'm going.
I'm there. I come and find side hook.
Okay, so what we can do for you today?
Can I soup here today now, miss?
Chicken foot.
What the price thing?
$2 a cup.
You want a cup now? Hold on, come and change that one. What, catch me next time, you know?
So I want to look at bill for me. I look tired though, like I taxi you took again this morning, man.
The man taxi never take every month go to you me.
You know tired of the taxi thing?
Tired of it, body.
You know what I'm saying? I don't know how your budget set in, but just a suggestion. You know what I'm saying? I want to look at car sell on AD for 450, but
450.
but a second.
Something better.
I hit me say a second hand. I like how you miss me rate your hustling, so I could have give you around 4. But I don't know how your budget stay, none at all.
To tell you the truth, that would have good, you know. That would have good for me get one car. But I see how my budget set the truth. Like when I go here, me just check off some money and see how much me have, and me tell you tomorrow, or me take a number and call you. What number?
38.
Yeah. That was something on the phone. Here you go.
38.
38
26
26
111.
111.
Just let me know, man, call me if anything, man. Cause me love you look also in what you do, believe me.
Alright then.
Alright, take care of yourself, yeah?
Alright. Thanks, CT.
No problem.
Alright. Oi. I had a part already, me asked for you, cause me have to me half a race so per years there, cause I go pay rent today.
I'm on 10 now. No, sir.
You mean if I'm on 10?
You know, say, chopper boy, they feel like me now give me a money. I know, you know, we'll call him.
Alright, I'll call him.
You know, say, so mountain come on. I say, deal my fly fast.
You're really flying fast.
Oh.
Well, go on.
But there, I will say when we get that thing there.
Yo, we want to tell us, I don't know where on the side there, you know, in the car. Mocha running for me, and you see me, I be a hypocrite there over there, you know. So, them send Mocha for me, so I have to lift up, and I don't know where down your now.
So, you can't ever send the money or nothing can get it because I have to pay my rent in a month time, you know.
I have to lock down your 2 phone them, man, you see me, so I can't send off no money. I tell us, Mocha, make my thing slow down, so anytime as I free up, I send you a big money, you know my thing go already, you know.
Alright, B, that's your word.
Yeah, man, that's your word, you see me?
Alright, you good though?
Yeah, man, that's why I not even some to call, you know, because I not even want them know.
You know how you chopping things that already now. You gave me a few undercover, alright, big up, here.
Alright.
You must say you don't have no money.
You don't have no money, not true. You don't have no money.
Sis.
You see, no, sis.
Me have friends. Me have cover me, man.
Me can't cover you. Me not say me not cover you, no, but me say something to you before that take place. The longer time I tell us, look here, me told the business together. No, it's all like my pride. You got this, you got that. You see, if I do I see my pride down, more people even know me. And next thing, later I have a surprise for you. So, me I come up on the road and now, so me link you back and stuff. So, just go and take it easy. Just make sure that later you have the rent money here. Okay. And I always have pity for you, always. I always let me down. I don't know why. I always let me down.
Money out the solo.
So what I want?
This is something I tell about, man. AD special edition.
That's good.
Look, man. Yeah, man. Wind up and go down. So try to look. Look, man. Tell me if you like it.
Yeah, man.
Sit down on the seat now, man. Feel how you feel, man. I see I soon feel, you know.
alright.
I see you like it.
You done good, man.
Alright. As me done tell you everything already, so if you want right now we can go sign out the paper them.
Right now,
Right now. You don't want your foot now.
you want your foot now, but I not sign the paper them right now. Alright then, I'll do that then.
Yeah man, do it man. Cause I mean I worry if you get rid of it, you know.
Alright then, so.
Oh you know.
Yeah, but you can't do something like that, so.
We not take no time man. Nobody not thief on soap pot. Come on.
Yeah, then, make a call first, wait.
Alright.
Number again. Alia,
Yeah, what going?
me there, something I did want you do for me. You
What
busy?
No, sorry, I'm really busy.
You could have come watch me staff me there, please, or something. I just want to go paperwork me I go sign up and now for one car.
Yeah, man, me can come back, man.
Alright then.
Yeah man, we not take no time.
Alright.
Yeah.
So you in my forward?
Yes, you go forward. You can't wait until she come because I don't want to leave right here, so.
Yeah, we do that man, no problem.
I'm not really far from you, so she lives still.
No
She lives
problem,
so
no
far
problem.
away.
So what kind of soap you have today?
Gonna soup?
Yeah.
Well, I know say a conch soup.
That's what I drink conch though.
I drink conch.
No. So, where do you the money now, not sure?
Yeah man, set time.
Alright.
Paperwork, money, everything.
Alright. I'm not really no rush now, because I know you're good smile. But you know,
Yeah man.
you can go bank and leave it all set.
See area? Alright, Alia. Come on, give me your gun, man.
I told me they're gonna be there, me just, I don't wrap up in it, come out, see me.
Oh, yeah.
Just go and sell for me. You know the price, alright? I always buy.
Okay.
Alright.
Right.
So let's go and watch you and sell for me.
Oh, you're a good friend, man. You want soap to drink?
No, sir, I'm a good man.
Oh, but buy one. Come on.
Yeah, it's all food, so we just,
Alright.
Alright, me still come back here.
Alright.
When you come back, I will the fear friend and pull up in this.
Yee. Oi.
What's here? You come back.
This a carrier. No sir. I said
Oh,
brake shop.
That's you.
Yeah, park bad.
That's you, you just get used to it, man. Just,
When time I done, me set it later.
I reverse back so then, man.
I must cause it. Wait.
Ah, jeez.
Me soon get a hang of it still. Cause you know I'm just buying and stuff.
It look nice to you, the wall look sharpen up, isn't it?
Wow, wash off. Put on a little activate up something on it and stuff. Cause
Well, I'm here to do a give you a big hug right now. I'm proud of you, man.
thanks, cause you make me do all of this and reach this far in my life. Cause trust
Proud of
me,
you.
if me never do this right now, I don't know what I do. God know.
I don't stop till I reach big, you know. No stop, I say, you know. Don't make nobody. Make them see I drive a big car and still I sell soup on the roadside.
Elevate.
Don't make nobody know say I have money. When they see
You make no sales since began?
yeah, we make up a sale over there, so we put the money in under this. So
Alright.
I'm saying, yes, when you're just like a rich people rap you. Just like our poor people now and then if you see you don't have no money.
That's true. But thanks for your advice. You see me, I really appreciate that. 100%. So yeah.
You know what you have to do now? Build your house now.
I that me I think but I rent now work for me, trust me.
Build a house now, man. That's all you need to do. Build a house. Build a mother house. Just build a house and save things over.
Me think me just build a one house, like you have a big apartment, just build a big apartment
and
with
family
mother.
them come over. Just like what me do. That me do to you.
Come mother didn't have her house already and stuff still. She want come over, she come over so dear.
But we just hope everything go well for you.
Yeah man.
As I said, we pray for you daytime and nighttime, you know, you see it? Car driving. You can pack up
I
your
can't
things
wait to
and-
reach over here and straight to be running. God no.
Ah, she was jealous of you.
I don't know.
We are trying to have to see Moti and say, I help you wash one pot or sell one cup of soup. And your
Good
friend, she
say them
don't want
life
you.
there and I fear she come buy soup from me. I think or 2 times or 1 time. 1 time or 2 times. I think yeah, you come 1 time come buy soup from me.
You
still.
should have there on the stall, so we do a go and fry 2 fish on the side and make
And by the end of the day, when time, me do all of that, then now when me go in, she want money from me.
No.
Me
People
tell her
like
say the
them the only
money.
one here, me don't like a chichi here.
Me tell
Don't
her
be no dry
say.
boat for no chichi.
Me tell her say. The money I have to put towards the business and me have other things to take care of. I have to save my money. That's what I said to her. But she said that's why she begs over the situation still. But
Me probably you break me fast.
you cannot ask me tell us this that I'm running. You say scam on the girl. One girl now want to work. Till that she be pay her rent, right? Because till the rent due. Me tell her say make sure so by the time I reach him back, they have the money. She come and tell me about me and her best friend must can help her. She called the man and the man. The man, me go over here. Me hear the conversation for the phone. The man there check. You know, so film phone never load and see. So the man must see I say more running for him now. Wonder the same thing. So you can if you send her
You
the
don't
money.
business with fear half I rent. Fear your rent and focus on your dreams here. Focus on your dreams. All you have to do, try give Browning some good advice and see if you not take them, I feel problem.
For me? Me try as much. Me no know what else to do. Trust me. Me try with her. So where say you go there now?
Anyway, me I can't go over.
Jim
But grab the
several
corner
and
here. Yeah, come here, hold the ice in there.
Alright then, look more.
Alright.
Aye. I just stay for your next hour, so then we go in. Yeah. What a go on? Oh, me there's something to. What one?
I'm going to carry now.
Girl, I might carry this, and this is the surprise I'm there tell about from morning.
Sure. So, how will you get money for buy car?
The same something I tell about, the same. Selling on the street, we don't want to do. Take a good look.
Yeah, tell me say.
Oh, you like
How
it?
much money you make so you can go buy car?
Yeah. Me there tell about it, but I never want to do it. So I do it, and now, see that, me make something on myself.
You know I'm change my mind.
You change your mind?
I come out the council to but I don't sell no soup. I come make curry crab.
Curry crab?
Curry crab I come sell.
Alright then. You can do that. Me I go, oh, you want somebody? Yeah. Let me see. Cause friend there, me did I drink it still. You say them.
Nice, me girl.
Yeah man, nice, it's true.
I have to get one of them. Man.
Get one. If you don't say, if you don't say go, but get one, and I say go. You have to have the money to get one.
So I have to what they can sell to man so you can get the money to buy one. Nice girl.
Me I can go in still, so what you say I do? Is it already?
You know so you can come buy 2 burger.
What? Hello? My money now go so. No burger.
Alright.
You not cook things that I house you cook.
Origin.
We can fry 2 dumpling and eat some tin mackerel. Go on. Not because I have money that means I buy a burger. Not because. Alright. So all of
So you
that.
have no money left for.
No worry about if me have money left, but me ask you a question now. The chopper man not link you back yet. Cause the lady need her rent money. And today have to pay.
Don't worry about that. He don't link me back yet. Friend me say he won't link me, he won't link me.
Then when you tell, what man say on the phone? The man say he don't know when he go get the money because what? He cannot send the money to you to you right now because more can in
So tell me
case.
something now. Me and your friend, look how long me know you, me and you live together.
We are
So
friends.
if me come to a time when me not no money, you can catch me up. You have money and now, so you can go and pay for me until you give me your money.
Oh, say,
That's your friend go.
I say you want to live. I say you want to live rent free. I say you want to live. Not true. No, baby love, you have to work for what you want in this life. In my time, you have to work for what you want.
I'll do say.
And you say you want chopper man to get chopper man.
Hear me out,
No, chopper man can't give you no money.
Alright, lend me your money to make it. Just hear me, I say. Lend me your money so I can go buy pan and something them if it's going to start sell like you. Just please, me I beg you. Help me out as a friend. Just give me a start off. If him do send me money, he can pay you back before that. If he not send me, he can pay back out of business money. How that sound?
You know, sound true bad no, but me kind of have up over something still for a longer time. When I make him man diss me, that me I look back and I say me and your friend, you really make the man diss me. Me still think about all that, you know.
Me I tell her say, a fool him fool, that's when they have money they ain't go on. And me wrong with that.
But me have money and me not go on, so me have money now.
Alright.
You see me behave like that?
That's how they chop your
Me
time.
still bring something for you to do because you love Hennessy, so I carry Hennessy for you. You love sweets.
Alright, just lend me. You will lend me money so I can start out on the thing.
Me lend you.
Alright.
Yeah, me lend you rent money as well. Come here, go in. Take out my car key. Oh Lord Jesus. Me I come go out there.
Me them hold on them bag me I take out me I come with you to where me. Me buy something them you know. Buy everything. You pick up everything on my house. Yeah, the bag with me. I mean I come put out my star girl. Me no want make money too. Me see you coming with car, me want drive car too.
No sir. Look at who so they now have to do it and now look at who a pack back figure walk.
Working day today, come in work.
Alright, come on. Me not run you.
Me have been there.
I'm not up on you. Me I late to go out this morning.
Yeah, please, like. Alright, come on.
Oh, backside. You don't know about it.
Oh, you wash your shorts.
Bye. Pull up on my little place. Come. We need to tell somebody to sit up one next fire side here because maybe I can't pick up somebody else, but maybe already say yeah, come with something so.
Yeah.
I just make you use this side of the because maybe already I'm trying to do something on it. You need to just get started, you know. Take out the other part out there stuff like you can use that the part there. But perfect. Yeah, chair.
Go and turn up in a few meantime.
You can buy to me chair. Look, me get one black or something and sit down and I get one next chair.
because we're not going to fall.
And the look of Friday.
No, sorry there.
We have curry crab and something. Roast red soup.
No.
No, man.
We have crab.
No soup.
I mean soup. Soup have.
Yeah.
Can't trust one of them because I'm not too strong today.
It's because you're a regular customer, I know you will pay money.
Yeah, we pay must right down on some hours.
I know it's part to live too. So I can't go wrong. And I think I would have really run off with that soup.
Huh?
Tell a friend them say best curry crab upon the block, you know, here, sir?
Alright.
Yeah?
Alright then, later.
Brown curry crabs.
You good? Oh Lord. Have mercy on me.
Yeah, my mother. Curry crab.
No, it's not too fussy crab though.
Come on, you want to taste when I part of them? Pa.
I don't know nothing about crab.
Curry crab, let's try it, man.
Alright, good day.
$500 plate.
How much can I do for you?
Plate, $500 plate.
Yeah.
Then I
$12 for one.
no.
Alright, what you saying? Soup.
What kind of food?
Kong soup.
Conch. Lord Jesus.
You want
I'm
it?
not loving that seed though. Anyways.
You want
Yeah,
it?
yeah, yeah.
How much try?
Eh?
How much try? For $2.50 a cup.
Okay. Maybe next time.
Tell a friend them say brownie have the best curry crab around the corner now.
Here. Alright, respect. Good. Let's see how thick we get. Come on, now if you change. To you.
One day me out here, me can't make no sale. Everybody a come and buy from you. Eh?
Because
So, me don't want the money
the out a good time and I want them know me. So you can't have a problem with that. If I did out at this time when time I did out for them longer time, I tell us come sell with me.
They all know me pat no half. I know you can't have. Come in, General.
Where you go?
Curry crab.
I'm some night crab do auntie. Where else can I cut them?
Kung Su. Wagwan.
I like the Kong soup be there. They are still, so I pass through.
Members,
No
Crab,
crab.
no, I not crab. It smell good enough, get me wrong, but I not eating none at all.
so Wagwan, good.
Yeah, I pass me there, I pass. How business I go?
It a go good, all the car go on good too.
Say
So-
that man.
Where you say no, you want a soup or not?
No, remember some night conk, allergic. Me eat the conk
So I
right
feel
now.
like say so you can you smell the knife.
Yeah, me can't, you want conk soup?
Yeah, let me get one of them there.
Yeah, honestly. How much I remember some man? How much for?
Eh?
Tell her,
Right for you.
just keep it change.
Boxer, hey! Alright boy, go out yourself.
School man. So you say you carry good and thing?
How many up earnings?
Go fear that man.
So you can buy one plate of crab from me, man.
And a fear,
How
and a
much you
fear,
come?
and a fear.
3 bills.
I catch you one next time. Remember, that's me. Yeah, we catch you next time.
Alright, David, come on.
Alright, take care.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
You can figure out the direction you come from.
I told you you're tight. That's why
Yo. Throw back a soup and I pot and give me money for soup, yeah?
You may have things. It already throw it already care throwing back.
Nobody know there. Just
No, unless I go throw it in, but throw it.
me now make this money, man.
No, the man already pay for it already. You don't want it, you throw it back. You cannot get the money. Sorry.
Alright, you see, because I don't have no money and I go pay me rent again. So, let me eat.
You rent again. How is you sure about that?
Curry crab. Come in, General. Curry crab.
Face the door.
I know that's what I said about walking out for me, man.
Sorry. You're not patient at that. As everybody come, Curry. Wait in the ask when you have man. When they say I'm not supposed to be, you know, go and buy. You come beside me. Let's see, hold on. This is shit.
So how much money you make?
60 grand.
What?
I think a 63, I think, or 64, one of them.
You only make 3 grand?
Because yeah, maybe I sell around something, maybe not sell things that people want, like what people really need. Maybe if I sell like rice and peas or something, maybe would have a better chance because people love them something. They love crab and everybody eat crab.
You mean everybody love crab?
Everybody love crab. And even some people love crab and everybody they name crab from.
What do you mean? My crab is best crab.
Yeah, I said that.
Best crab round town. Everybody are gonna love my crab, just wait. I'm gonna love me, I'll get one nice recipe.
Look here, if you understand, say, and every day I go fast. Some days I go slow, if you just understand that a business you do, you know. Because every day I go to make as much money. At least me ever make I think of 50 grand because people them, some regular customer they know did it, you see me?
50 grand? If me make 50, we soon start making them on this, anyway.
Me I go be it off here, man, so me come back here and then go.
Look how small you say. Yeah, baby.
Hello, good day. Good day. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Some soup here.
Yeah.
So wait there, where money there?
No more money.
Alright then later.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. I'm looking for something there. Some people come and they have money, me still help them, say do you?
Me I think so. You broke so.
Me broke so. Girl, sometimes I feel like to help out people and everybody are gonna have it. See like how you want me to help you out.
I don't
with the
make
rent.
scars. I must see one time somebody come by from me.
I didn't cook enough crab then cause go turn around our waist.
Last week we see crab and this week again. I'm telling them call crab.
I like here, but it's just comfortable.
So, about going for you today, man. We're just 10 grand to make.
10 grand?
Mm-hmm.
A good money I make because you left from 3 grand to 10 grand.
So how much you make today?
I think 83. Alright. Yeah, 83,000.
83. So when me I go make them money, they want to make some big money like you want.
Look here. Remember some just go in a business, you know. It did up and down. Make a good money today. Tomorrow make a lower money, you see me? So if you just understand, say, that a business, as we did tell you before, may always talk about this, a business, and every time you chop big food. Some, tomorrow you'll go out there, you'll make one big money, girl, big money, may I tell you about. You just have to have faith and put your trust in your business. And,
yeah, me I put my trust in it, but me I work too hard, man. Every day I go out there,
so me
turn up in a sun hand, and I make 3 grand. If me don't make 80 grand and 70 grand, me would feel good, me would come in and I complain. Eh?
Yeah, but just understand why people ain't want, you see me?
You go out there 1 month and you buy your car already. You buy your license and insurance, and still I go back out there. Me want when me come in, I be have money me and say so. Tell right, man. Let's go do so. Anyways, they call my friend other day and they tell me something. Me about to check on somebody. No, not really. I just want work, want other work. Me I go look for.
Whatever.
Yeah. So I go check a person like evening. I can say only early morning and daytime I must go check him.
Oh, so you say you're gonna work?
Yeah, I go do.
Alright then, go on.
So. Maybe me turn 3 hours up on the road.
3 hours? That means at night you come back then?
No man, but just don't lock the door because I can't find the keys.
Alright then, later. Go off the bed. Tired of
Master kept us.
Me feel the energy. Come.
Morning.
Spin, mama, spin. Yeah, man, spin. Yeah, man. Too much mileage I follow you, man. Yes, man. Them a try to hold it down.
Yes.
Tell me a problem now.
You know what I say? We start one little business on the roadside, then I sell some little curry crab.
Right.
But me nah make no money, me I make 3 grand 15 bills. In most never make out there 10 grand, right? And my friend want to sell beside and me I bet beer money, 100,000, 80,000. Me I say, Devo, me can't even, everybody I go to war, nobody now come to me. You wonder if I hold me down or something. Why me not make no money?
Alright. You know why you not make no money? She a who be you. Spin your road. She a who be you.
Now what be me?
Yeah, man, she a who be you. So you want me to tell you, say, you come to the right place. No fret. Spin your road like me. When say me done with you, every customer come at you. Then now go wash. Don't worry. Alright, stop this one. You want to make money.
Want make gold.
You want every customer come to you.
More rich.
Alright. Welcome to Black Heart. This is the rich part. We're gonna rich, mama. And when I say rich, you're going thinking rich.
More extra rich.
Yeah. But it's gonna cost you. Spin your road. Let me tell you the price.
You know what I say? Master kept us. You know no money I now doing now. When the business uplift and start make some money, you come pay you.
Mama.
Just stay with me, man.
You think you can go and shop, go trust in your neighbor. You can't go to a supermarket.
No,
go
me not trust, man. It's just
So you see,
just give me what he said. If me go out there today and start make some money, by tomorrow we can come pay you, man.
You
Go
know.
that son.
my job what me doing 100,000. If you think that a credit, you credit. You go double. 200,000.
So, we don't make them the money there?
Yes. Been a roll, man. But there's a problem.
What kind of problem?
If you don't pay me back in time, I'm mad you.
No, you're not mad. Me will pay you back.
I'm gonna run joke when you come on to them work here.
No man, you're gonna pay you back.
Alright. You see this? When I go there, I start your sell,
Yes.
you sprinkle some round fire part. So when people and you see them sprinkle it, you come so. If a tree stone here, you knock a tree stone a field. And you say, no more customer.
So you're gonna stop for your customer.
Right. And then you go over fear part. If you have a matches box in your yard, you light this. And you drop in the middle of field. And you say customer come back.
Customer come back.
Right. Remember, don't mix up.
No.
When me say if you did this,
Sprinkle it over fear part.
yeah.
Tap it 2 times. No
Tap
more
it cheese,
customer.
if a cheese stone, they stop them.
No more customer.
Right.
Sprinkle it over my part. Tap it. Come back customer. Come back.
Mama, if you mess up your still home, you know. Me say, sprinkle it over your part. Tap this stone them 3 times. No more customer. Right? That's it.
Oh.
You know, using no more.
Oh, so I'm going to use your for my part.
Yes. Because if you use your fear, you'll stop for your blessing.
Oh.
You light the matchstick and you drop in the middle of fear. If
Oh.
a 3 stones here, where more customer or come back customer.
Okay.
Good. Mark my word. You have 2 days to present the money.
Alright, Master Captors.
Yeah.
No more customer. No more customer. No more customer. Come back customer. More customer. More customer. Oh, you need to make a choice. No, so all the
So long you take on the road?
You know, so I'm going to deal with some whole person I'm going to deal with.
Whole heap of something like what?
I was going to look to work, but I not get through. I'm tired right now, I just want to go hold a bed and get something to eat.
Man, I fool me, you know. Maybe I will go walk out with a man and then I want to tell me. Can't just talk to me and say me a friend.
No man, me go check man, but he must say, he nah nothing I know, so must go and do the work. He soon make me make some money. Season soon pick up, you know. So I just go out there morning, put my best interest in it and work and we see what go on.
Alright, let me hear you. So we say I go to bed?
Yes. I feel that tomorrow gonna be one nice day.
Hopefully.
Yeah man, I feel like I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Off sale.
Alright, then go over the way I do.
Yeah, but I'll be here because I was back my fire and I'm sick up there.
Christopher, what?
We can't read upside down, sir. And you look on the chain and you feel really trying to tell me what the funny.
No, me honestly ever check them in the chest of jar. So you know say yes, Christopher protect us. He protect you, not I and I. That's the far right. But me I say you love I. And look how far you put the king name.
And then how we did for put it? We can't put it against so too much rain there against so it would have painful. I already have one on my belly in which that put me in a lot of pain.
You could have put my name right here, so. So anytime a man go look you, him see who you love. So them back up.
That's a question. I could have some me love with us, I go print for your name in my forehead.
So how you love me? How much you love me then? You say you love me to the moon and back. Are you want to do that?
That not say me I go print your name in my forehead.
Yes, God, that don't mean to.
Alright, in my face. No, in my
Go on.
Yeah, man, I'm going to get looking good.
Yeah, I'm there going all the time. Where do you live?
Yeah, man, so I'm going to get chicken and cook no go ahead.
No, man, no cook.
where you going back to the belly?
What
Every
for
boy you going back to the belly.
Alright,
You
go
can't
ahead.
cook it here.
Overnight food, man. That roll the belly.
So I want to cook the cooking man and
No, man, some people can pass through. You know what I mean? Auntie and her husband pass through. So then,
they're good.
we actually not so long because I mean, men are old, you know. I still have go and tell you pregnant and things.
Oh, I can't let me 1,000.
The man say no. You have to check at a different time. I have money up on the machine. Because we have a cashless system, so we don't have cash.
Oh.
Just buy food, put it in the house and do something.
Yeah, no, can't give me them to go.
No, not really. But we could handle face to, we could get a pound of cornmeal. I care we go turn it. But put it in a pot and turn it around. Yeah, daddy, that full belly.
Me don't like that. Don't come with that.
Well, you don't, listen now. I can get a look of sugar too, and look of salt. And you make black pop. You make porridge, but you don't have no milk to give up. No, the last cut off you put in her belly so you can go in her breast when the baby born, it can come out back in her daily mouth.
Oh.
Yes, so she have to drink it. No, she can't, she don't have enough time to tell her, you limit it. So me I tell her, because you see my black pop. Black pop how much grew up on that, you come big and strong. Black pop me used to drink without milk.
You don't even know who makes it.
Up on the yard there, grandfather have a coconut tree and most I come up and dry.
You have a good time coconut tree at night.
You don't climb the coconut tree, there's a long stick in the yard there. You just when I dry coconut them. Listen to man, you're too lazy as a young youth, I'm teach something man. You ox out the coconut, you grate it, you juice it, that give them milk. And then you get you put this pot on fire and make it boil, and when it boil, the calm it done cook, you throw this, you season it up. Cinnamon must up there, or anything gets on nothing like greater night, you know want that done. And you know want drink of all that because that will hold you up. If you drink mix it tonight, a morning you know eat breakfast, a man you can get somebody to warm up and touch you. Well, I can't help you still the
I'm hungry right now. We can't go around the store.
Go to auntie them have a big feast around there. Yeah man, go check around some man. Very good, go differently. Yeah man.
Yeah, now later, I mean check.
Yeah, man, do your thing. Alright.
I will never know that you're mining.
Not really a family, so my time I think it's family, alright, you know.
You can't go look work.
You still like him father never open the game.
I saw you lazy.
I same father still.
No, bad to bad.
Yeah, man,
You want breakfast, you come over here. You want lunch, you come over here. You want dinner, you come over here. You want cool water, you find a yard. Usually get tired of people, you know.
Yeah, and like, they want me return back, you know. And we in a deep conversation and jump in. Alright. So what's we going to do now?
Wash up the kitchen all clean.
Mama, come and go wash you up first and then you come wash the plate them, man.
So why would I not go bathe then we go work after? That
No! We go work, we go bathe while working in the bathroom. No, this is a worker, man, and tonight I say I come deal in the work about that, I know I ask yourself for just spit me out. I want to get a good working out while showing you. Because I know your body needy.
But I never tell you something needy.
No, your body.
My body
Tell
needy,
me.
but me not needy.
Yeah, so I know you me I did for. Me I did for your body. So come on. Come on, you work for her. You don't know that's it. That's it, no.
Beer run hot, just jump back, man. I'm gonna stop soon, go to the girl.
Really, of course, first 3 days them are road.
Custard crab?
You know what now so young
My friend them say I best crab around here. Let's put some of that down.
But even one, somebody may start from
Curry crab, babes.
Miss Alice. One curry.
Boy, when this is money, you know
You
what?
don't know soup. You don't know soup to the crab.
When this is money, you know what money make me do? Money make me smile. Tell them mother and father to come back. Maybe some people who come around and come buy two soup, fine. You don't know, they are around 2 of you, I understand it. Feel nice, you know what I mean? I make any money.
Oh, no, where today?
You want soup?
Best funny money, you know, curry crab.
Crab?
Yeah.
Let's see what about it. Give me some. Are you a smell and what you change for?
Me not change. Are you a summer crab? What you talk about?
What?
Are you a summer crab? You want the crab
How
or
much
not?
you change this for? 140?
You want to buy soup, we have change.
You have change?
No, if I buy soup, we have change. But if not,
Crab.
You may buy this. You buy it. Give me some. Give me some. They'll take care of it.
Yeah, talk about no, he chopping on. Best curry crab. Come again.
Yeah.
When people come down, he sell them.
She not there, you know. She not there. I'm saying I got up our people them. So I got up our people them. What go on?
I'm there, man. You're
Oh.
doing good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
I'm
come see
there.
us something up door, cause
I
if you
show-
something up, before you gonna come back.
I should come wash your way through the teeth for pump. I'm going to lay. No water now, come on.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm there.
Alright. You know, there's a woman there, not true?
Yeah.
The son her gone up, man, because she's pregnant and she's miserable. When soon come back, can't spend on 2 days with her.
For sure, man.
You know it come?
Yeah.
Come inside, mama. Yo, what's up? I will take the beer out of the fridge. We have 2 beer in the fridge and so 1 beer in the now.
I'm not going in the fridge, man. I'm not going there. I just bad pan, man. I'm going to take out. I'm not going in the fridge.
Alright, I'm not
You come here and see somebody around now with this thing, but I don't know if I'm ghost or what. I don't see. But if I somebody take you out of me, I find them I can know. I don't know yet, I don't know.
There's a beer thief around the place now, but that's nothing, you know. Anytime I catch one person, you see that shovel here?
Yeah.
Some here like somebody with you shovel here. Then go pay the price. Cause you never catch a thief, you watch and see. Anyway, that good. Now start word.
Alright.
Now start word. Alright, so you soon have to go up on the road, you know, but go and wash your wash.
Alright.
But they're going to wake up the yard because water bill not free. So you have to pay the water rate.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Wake up the yard and they're done.
Yeah.
Right. Let it go.
Whatever. Today I'm gonna wash the plate. You know, so someone said talk, not even talk to you about, like said to you, what people say, ask you a question. You ever like one time you sell back in the days, like feel whole day get nothing but one customer and going through to whole week, no customer at all?
So yeah, try to knock number one for you.
Nothing at all.
Jesus. Father, them tell this, you know. Even remember because I have so much in my head. You know, so me get one dream, boy,
Pardon?
yeah, my dreams is somebody close to you and try to hold you down. And according to the dream, I tell me if you tell you, you know, say if you got one physician or something, not Oberman, no, because I don't believe in Oberman. You know, them man, they will help people like a one pastor or something. They don't really go in places, something they really know. But I wait, like a person in my dream just tell me, say, if you tell Brittany, say, if you go get himself look more because somebody I try to hold him down. Somebody say, I must succeed in my life and they don't want you to succeed, so they don't hold him down. So then if you go look for yourself from other day, if you tell her, girl, but through me, I'm so busy, I can't remember. But then if you go get yourself look about.
What you say to me? Like seriously, so wait then, who da really would I want see me fall after me work so hard for everything what me have? Somebody would really put hand on me?
Tell her the
It's
truth.
hard to believe, God no.
To tell her the truth, no girl. That's why I made you tell her, say, if you have make a money, no sure you, because as soon as they see you start put on like a weight or buy something and go and bring it down. And same thing they try with me, you know. And I start just like my mother. If I start just like my mad, nobody mess with me again. But somebody work something for you, so if you forget to check out, and I know everybody go want to see your eyes. Maybe I will see somebody there and try to have a sale. You understand me? Maybe I can have somebody close in your family.
But
I can have a friend.
Only one person close to my friend. She's the only person.
I don't know what I'm not saying. I'm not put no words in your mouth. I'm just like tell you what you
But
do.
if you tell her honest, I'm not feel she would have done that too. Trust me.
No, I'm never
Can you
gonna
go around a
say
lot? No, I'm never say she, but others are saying I think that she.
well, when I go in place, we know who, because once you get yourself check out, eventually the person will check you out and will tell you how much put hand on you. So you need to do that, trust me. Yeah, you can send check out, man.
Alright, come second, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Right, you are free to walk and then remember you must meet me here.
No, man, everything good. Just trust me like that, isn't it?
Alright, come along.
Alright.
Oi. I go now. They are going to live.
Oh, God.
Aren't you?
Oh, wow. Something not come from over earlier.
So your face looks so.
You can't believe say we go up on the road and I only 3 grand make.
3 grand?
How much you make?
Why no say 100 grand today?
100 grand?
Why me to say? Me don't know.
Business kick off fast though.
Me I want for 3 brain or what? But people are buy crab like a hell. Yo, right now me nice. 3 grand I make. Well, maybe I threw the entire soup. Mama say good while out there make soup in the day. Good entire soup now.
Me I say now, I go with Ali, right? And Ali tell me say she get a dream about me. A dream or a vision, something like that. And she must say somebody must have a hand for me. And she say, I need to check out myself. And she must say somebody have a hand for me. But me I say, who could have a hand for me after I work so hard? He already in my mind and say maybe the people who I lease the land from. I try to bring me down. But me I think back and I say, why they would have try to bring me down and me I make them make money? Said we can maybe pay them a month time. And me I think if I want to kill land or something. And next thing, say, Ali tell me say I need to go check out myself, so I need to go to a physics man or whatever I want to name, or I want a pastor. If they tell me what really wrong with me or who have the hand on me. Because you know, some God in the place there, they might spill out everything, you know, business one begs, you know.
You believe me in listen the girl? Me don't like them listen there. Nobody no have no hand pan. You don't follow that the girl there. You see she I'm mixing why you mix up in them listen there now.
Me not think
And that him a try do. I don't want good friend that.
Yeah.
A good lima tell you that the kind why you top sell out the kind
Okay.
you want to spot.
I'm
You
saying
know, you
something.
can't believe people nowadays, you know.
if she never want me to do that work the first start, she only give me a pot for start.
But maybe get bad mind and no and say look how much money you da make a good girl leave
But
us now.
she's-
But anyways,
She still have
you know
more money than me.
You know no money now. Remember so me ain't have no money now you help me. So like you know no money now. You even have to bother go sell nothing. Me will pay rent, buy food, do any little thing when you want now. Cause remember say when me ain't have no money.
How you turn out to be so great?
Now you used to help me if you say me have a kid, somebody remember where me I come from. Remember say you know, how long now? About 1 month, 2 months your parent for straight like you say you know. So me I say me can must give a favor, be a favor now and do about the same. How
But
that's
this
all.
year I can do but I still need to go check out myself.
You know if you got to check out yourself, where you go check out yourself for? Eh? Good you go there man then now and then your heart tap walk or
My heart out of pork.
when you look you have no lungs in your body because me say they love sell out lungs and something.
Bro, we can't have this conversation right now. Look,
Me tell you say don't have them listen there in your
me
mind.
need to go rinse off
You need to
myself.
go
Wash off
check the
some
place there.
crosses and sadness off of me. So, may we talk?
Go let me see. Yeah, go up okay. Jesus Christ.
Emmanuel, man.
Jesus Christ, stop right there! Stop right there! Somebody I walk over upon you. What? Somebody I walk over upon you. And me I tell you who right now. You see same girl we are selling crab beside her you? She I walk over upon you if you don't make no money.
Somebody I sell crab beside of me.
Don't worry yourself. She I walk over upon you.
But I'm my
Say you
best
won't make
friend
no
that.
money.
You don't think she would have do that?
Yeah, we are going to do. Now give her some salt. Drop in one beer and give her. If she feel a way, she do it. If she not feel no way, I know she. And ball off here confess. Go on home. Me can home.
With some sea salt me fi use. Can use any salt?
Any salt.
Alright,
One home and check me back in next 3 days.
Next 3 days.
50,000 I charge you.
Jesus, 50,000. Me see want make so
Go
much
on
money
home.
now.
Spin the road before you go on home. Go on home now. Jesus Christ. Woo!
Oh, yeah, thanks to care out my pot for me.
Girl,
Appreciate it. What that you do? A drug you take?
you mad? Girl, I want nutrient salt and beer.
Salt and beer?
Salt and beer, girl, this is bad.
Let me try.
I just want to put little salt tonight and drink it come down here so. I'm just saying, no, I'm going to put some more in there, man. Cause it tastes good.
It tastes good?
Tasty. You not bad?
Yeah, man, put some more salt in there. Salt and beer, I didn't know salt and beer could have mixed.
Yeah, man, drink it, man. Bad, don't you? Tough. What's it? Yeah.
No, sir.
No, sir. What's it?
Yo, man, 1% shall come down for me. No mind me, but go for this out. You know,
Go away.
You know, napkin.
Not a napkin, sorry. What's it? I can't stop at the back with a shit to clot.
Boy! Mama, you want shit.
Brownie, you're so nasty, girl.
You should have given me the hot beer to drink.
I never be tell us if you drink it. You're supposed to me a drink it, ask me for some, and me give you some. You got shit right which part we are sell. Girl, I can't do that.
I'm a crab bucket if you're not.
Right eye style.
And this time I see.
Right eye style, I got shit.
Me have empty it. And this time I see.
You got empty it?
Because you know why nobody can see me and shit in a book.
You nasty girl. Me shame to call her my friend. Jesus Christ. Oh, if you empty the shit, that's a girl there. Jesus have mercy, Lord have mercy for my little soul.
Don't stop load up the thing now.
Load up your thing. Load up your thing. Browning.
I'm going to my market pipe go wash it up. Go with me down.
Marky Pep go wash out.
What are you?
How can a nasty girl this year?
You can't give me hot beer and salt to drink. I know say no want shit from when I'm to run my belly.
How if you know say I want shit, never, but if you know say I want shit, me have it.
You should have given me hot beer and salt to drink, man. Calm down, man. Nobody.
Girl, nasty man. You sick me stomach, man.
You see, man, you never get customer in here, you know.
How are this? How happened to you?
Let me see, God.
Hey! Rosa! All that crosses and the black heart and the corruption just a wash out of you. It just a wash out of you. I'm just a watch you make it wash out of you. Imagine, you really stoop so low, girl? You see me and your friend?
What me do? Tell
Oh,
me what me do.
tell her what you do?
What me do?
Tell you well I know what you do. That's the reason I never did make no money. I make all of the money. Can you have hand for me? You. When I call my friend, they say the only person could do it is somebody I'm close to who I really love, and you're the only person I'm close to. You're the only person I love. Because if my family them me not show interest in it if I even see that. Are you ready to do this to me? Like seriously?
Me no do nothing. Right?
What you mean? Are you still denying it?
Alright.
You still denying
We
it?
go check on my breaking them. And him say him a go make me make money. But me never know say him did a go stop you from make money. Me a make the money good, and when me come in and you see only make that the money, they me say, oh God, it's like you stop make money. So me never did want to
Oh God, but I never go back to him and acting, not true.
So
You make it keep on the front end, I go find out for myself. The beer and the salt where you drink, It wash a whole like cross and corruption out of you.
So
Whole like blackness in your heart.
You just as bad as me, no. You give me beer and salt for drink.
No!
Yeah.
Me never know say they make no happen to you now.
I must me shit up myself from the style, you know.
Me say, if I want shit up and I shit up, me say something to you now. The man tell me say, the person who drink the beer and the salt, if it give them a reaction or if it can make them sick, that means it's the person. But if you drink it and nothing happen to you, that means I don't want you to do it. But see, they're sick out and you.
Pass my teacup, right?
Your teacup, you better bend and take it for yourself, there. How you treat me and some me I treat you, never have to do it. Cause you know, say, even if I don't have no money,
Me never know,
me have the money, make sure
it don't stop you from make money. See them, if we have a good heart,
So
here, me
sick
pay
of
the
the
rent.
man,
Me pay the rent. Me pay the rent, right? Me pay the rent because me still have no money.
Look here, but as me I say no, this now will work out between the two of you. It's either you leave or me leave. So make up your mind. Make up your mind. It's either you are gonna leave or me are gonna leave. Because I'm not stay and take a bullshit and foolishness them no more.
Listen, I'm sorry.
You're sorry?
But you just as bad to me because you,
Hey.
you're up your man or whoever you got to give me beer and salt for drinking, and make me have your shot, but here me I gonna do. Me I gonna change my location. You can find someone else sell or something.
Alright, that's the best thing. Me and I go live together, me and I go sell together. So you get a one place, me get my own place. You sell a different place, me sell a different place. Because you, me never in here could have stooped so low, girl. Me call my friend, now you come from far, from baby days till now.
Me never know say what the man give me, tell me what to do, did not stop you from make money. Tell
I
me
hear
say must
you.
do that there. Me
hear
never,
you.
when me say you not make no money. You hear me I tell her, me say
Yes,
oh.
yes, you say me there make no money, right? You make an effort to go back to the man and say, yo, just undo it or something like that. No, you're not thinking of that. You watch me suffer.
You ever hear the science can't undo? Eh? Wash up your man, you can't go do something and then
To
come
tell the
back to
honest truth, me not gonna sleep here tonight, you see me? Because I'm afraid they get up in your sleep, even though you're sick, get up in your sleep and do me something. Me have to watch me head back. Me not get back close to you anymore. Me, goodbye. Try help out yourself. If they find another man that just so, me come here and I have some food and drink soda. Later.
You know, I took up the tea.
Goodbye.
Yeah, man. I tell you, how beer things are going. Every time I buy one beer, my friend, buy 6 beer, left 2, 1. If I left 3, I come back on to 2. I left 4, somebody ramp with me. So now I left 1 in the fridge now. And carry the rest of them for me go drink out to the car. Now make them people go what they want. Stand every time, so somebody go feel it. Remedy for them, man. Stand them today. Where you know me go do? Now worry yourself, man. You watch the news? They see Alice. They say if you drink the beer and the salt there, you're in a belly. Someone this a person who have TV beer at all time when they come with teeth again. And feel it. And I go lock up the bathroom now me and left only the kitchen part of me. Shit, it a run over. Oh, ja. Never tell me so it a go work out. But great job. You want to see how much all of the beer done. But just one time that I make up back and close it back. It's powerful, man. Yeah, man, I'm so come on work, man. I'm so come on the work. I'm so come on the work. Alright, we talk. We talk, though, yeah. We talk. May I try to see my place a block? The whole light run out to the backside.
Cause
Tears of red, man.
Oh, you drink it? No. See bush there.
in the bathroom,
You said do that, listen up.
in the bathroom.
Who kill a beer there?
Eh?
You not kill a man, it's when I beer. I won't make you use the bathroom, but see there.
In the bathroom, see bathroom.
No, listen the bathroom I use and I was man in the bathroom. The mother in the bathroom. See there, see bush there. Take you all that, see. I'm going to look up in that I use. You go on. See bush there. That will teach you a lesson. Every time you drink the beer them, no you drink it. Alright. That a beer and salt. Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Burn it down to the ground. Yeah man, we still at the studio, you know. We still at the studio. Yeah, we still at it. You know what I mean? So, put in some work. With the near, want to get some update on it. I think I'm going to show you. Because we just put in the sink. I'm going to show you how the sink go look. You know, if you take some video, but I just have the beer work from where I get no time for you to take a video demo. I just take. Plus today my daughter's birthday and I got to go on the road and make sure you have some fun. You know what I mean? So we'll not go and watch this here. Depending whether I go and put in some work and get my daughter out in here strong. You know what I mean? Take what you take and go do what you do. You know what I mean? Choose them at the future. So I'm going to do some movie there. Yeah man, support you and watch the same speed. Yeah man? Because she watch it and see what she do. She'll get better. You know what I mean? Because she doesn't start out. You know what I mean? So this is where the era we are trying to do. Build movie industry in Jamaica. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. We have plans to come to the Caribbean. You know what I mean? So we keep up the date to that. If it's not December, early next year, we're going to figure it out still as we go along. You know what I mean? So anywhere we are come, we go want people like from there so to participate in other movements, you know what I mean? Because we as black people, we try to build it, we not try to kill it, you know what I mean? So as we go along, you know what I mean? Make a link, yeah, you know what I mean? You go see number on the screen same way, so you see number on the screen, a real number, you know what I mean? So you can make a link for all the reason pertaining business wise, you know what I mean? If you have a business where you want to reach out there in the world, you know what I mean? I want people to know what go on in your business, yeah man, just call the number. You know what I mean? And make and set it up and we deal with it. You know what I mean? Because that's a part of the business to get anything out there too. You know what I mean? Each one build one. You know what I mean? Black people, it's time for us to unite. You know what I mean? Too much cuss and fight. Black man, stop killing each other. You know what I mean? Because when we go study through history, I mean, ask certain things like Tupac and Biggie. Black man kill Tupac and Biggie. I don't like it. You know what I mean? It could have been better. We could have reasoned it out. Make money make people just live. You know what I mean? German, you don't like it, man. Black, stop kill black man. How I go on? You know what I mean? Things we share up and everybody can eat food, everybody can live, man. Yo, come on, man. If you want to kill someone, kill them and I'm moving on. Then at least then go live. That's alright. You see, that is it. That's it. Me like with movie, you can pretend. But in real life, real stuff, you know what I mean? So like we are suffering in real life, we are trying to make changes in the real life, you know what I mean? So we are trying to put something positive. The positive thing we realize that most of the time you don't really get the push we really need. You know what I mean? So you know, so at the end of the day we're doing movie business. So I'm about to launch a next leg of movie that will not be shown on YouTube because of the content is gonna be too strong for YouTube and the community guidelines. So I'm gonna build a thing that's gonna attach to YouTube so you can pay like a monthly subscription for that channel. It's gonna call it Patreon. I'm gonna sign up for Patreon. Cause I have some film where in the mind where it goes strong in our sexuality, You know, you go strong in a activity. If it's a gun show, you go strong like Shatters. You go strong like Turtle Cup. You know, them type of something there. So when that channel up and running, we want to support it. So that will give the thing a faster boost. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Because we try our best from that time till this time. You know what I mean? So we are putting the work. So you know, from back in 9 days, from you know what I mean? From where show name again? For we start, let's show us first. Let's do which one. Nothing to know.
Good
one
man.
by one.
Oh.
Yeah, man. One by one. About 10 years ago we start. One by one. Then we go carelessness. Then we come up. Then we start do the website. Then we start back. YouTube we start do the short film them. Then we start from friend thief or whatever. We start the first one and then we reach up and we do one here, what of them look a short one, then we start the big one, then we start the good man. So from them time we've been pressing the fire and this and I put the whole of work. You know what I mean? And I feel good, you know myself. We don't make the money out of it if we say that we can live good but we can survive to do a next movie. So we can't take the same money. If money make every month to go back to a movie, just to sustain and to find new actresses and find new people. Because one I think we find with people, yeah, a lot of people come and they don't stick around. When them come now, the first time they come, them is laughing. But when they catch down to the payday, you know, everybody feels like a judge. So they're not putting a good work, but them expect a good pay. You know what I mean? So we still look for new actresses. We look for serious people. We come for work, we come for win. Because we are fight a war. So you can't fight a war and go up on the battlefield and a grin. Okay, enough of them grin, but when it comes to the last part, when the payday come, I just them want to fight the war, you know. When payday come, they don't want to fight from the beginning, you know. Then when those warrior fight from the beginning, you know, so for you step in and go in front of the camera, you say so. If you see it require, you say so. If you see if you laugh, you clean your teeth. If you say if you sad, you're sad. If you say if you ball, you ball. If you say if you lay down and roll, lay down and roll. Because we're not playing a game here. We're doing movie. And we have real, you know, so not real people don't want to say real stuff. So I talk to the people who want to be potential actors and actresses. If you do apply and you do get a chance to come here, when you come here, no laugh here until it's time for you to laugh. Because plenty of people come, they not survive it. So we always have to look for new actresses and new actors because they're not standing up to their role. Some of them can't remember things. If we say A, B, C, D, but then they say A and they say, wait a second. Hi, wait then. You give me some rum for drink there, some coffee. Because you know something better? You have some of them that say, boy, actually hungry, you know. Let me remember the line, you know. Actually hungry. You give some food, it's actually my belly too full, you know, man. My belly too full. I not remember it, my belly. You make it exercise also my food. Actually, not, you know, to exercise, I'm tired, I'm sleep. Then when payday comes, you know, you have money there. I get up to friend and also, yo, I have money. When I come for work, you know, I'm not ramping, I want my money, you know. Somebody gonna feel it, you know. I call the police, you know. I call the science man on the backside. What chance? Look at them. I have a lawsuit for me, you know. So, I don't like it. You know what I mean? We are building things, we don't come to kill things. So, if you come and you put your best out, you will get your best. Because the world will watch you. Remember, son, me I watch you, the world will watch you. So when you go up on the platform, people are see you. The baby see you, grandma see you, everybody see you. And if you do good, them appreciate it because it takes people's mind off of stress whether they're going through. And even if you come with your stress, if you're a the movie, you come from stress vibe. And the movie is not personal. What you do in a movie is just movie. You know what I mean? So you can come and say, nah, do certain things because this is not you. So the name them, we're going to start naming people when they come. So you can't say, are you because it's not your name. That. You know what I mean? So if you come and you want your name Bill, may have got talk different about that. If I your name because you come to build your thing, that's what you know. But if you come to build my thing, I'm gonna change your name and tell you what more your name. You know you go, burn it down. Because everybody wants their name themselves. So blame yourself. Let's go.